Let's learn some hotel vocabulary in English.
Single room. A room for one person, usually with one bed. Double room. A room for two people. One large-size bed. Twin room. A room for two people with two separate beds. Triple room. A room for three guests. Family room. A larger room for families, usually with multiple beds. Suite. A large room with a separate living area. Some suites have a kitchenette. Connecting rooms. Two rooms connected by a door. Great for families or groups. Deluxe room. This one has more space, better furniture, better view, and extra amenities, like a coffee maker, minibar, or bathrobe. And based on view, you can ask for ocean view room, city view room, garden view room, and balcony room, a room with a private balcony. As you can see, I'm staying in one. Have you tried any other room types? Tell us in the comments!